Guys, Cindercrest is here. Prepare for battle. Oh my gosh. They're burning everything down. Alright. It's time to join the fight. Holy, it's so laggy. If they have a Cindercrest shield, kill them now. Yes, sir. Let's go. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Swarm this guy. Nice.
Kill them all!
Oh, what's up, Saps?
Parrot!
I mean, it's kind of late, but if you haven't noticed already, nobody on my team has died so far.
What did you do?
Swarm Saps! Swarm Saps!
Oh my god! They can't die! They can't die! Cindercrest, retreat south!
I'm killing you right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's going up. What the?
Parrot, what did you do?
Saps,